Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home and to another day of the 25 days of Christmas. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recycle your paper tissue rolls and turn them into a beautiful snowflake ornament. This is a project that the kids will love to help with. Super easy and oh so pretty. If you want to see how this is done, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video and share with a friend. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And if you already subscribed, don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you're notified of every single upload. Let's get started. Alright you guys, the materials we're going to need to make this ornament are our hot glue gun, our scissors, 3 to 4 toilet paper rolls, a Sharpie, glue, a little tray to put our glue and our paint, a little brush, white flat paint, and silver glitter. Let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing we need to do is to flatten our toilet paper rolls, and we want to make sure that we really crease this cardboard. So we need to do all of them because we're gonna mark them and then we're gonna cut them into little pieces. So we just want to make sure we get them a little flat like that, and make sure you really mark that crease like so, like this. Then what we're gonna do is, using our ruler right here, what we need to do is we're gonna go ahead and mark every 1/4 of an inch. So every 1/4 of an inch, with our permanent marker, we're gonna do a little dot. And we wanna make sure that we do it on both sides. Because that's gonna be our guide to cut straight lines all the way down. Alright you guys, so once we have the ornaments marked every 1/4 of an inch, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and cut these little strips like so, because that's what we're going to use to create our snowflakes. So just make sure they're straight lines, go all the way down like so. So I'm going to get to cutting all of this and I will show you the next step. Okay, so once we've cut all of our toilet paper rolls, we're gonna put them aside and we're gonna start assembling our snowflake. And for that, we're gonna need our hot glue gun. So what we need to do is, we need to pinch right here and we are going to put a little dab of glue on this side. And we're gonna go ahead and put another one like this. And just make sure you press enough to where they'll stick together. Once they're stuck together, you can hold them from the bottom like this, and you can continue to add little wedges of cardboard. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Just go ahead and make sure you hold it for a little bit while it dries. That way it doesn't move from its place. We're gonna go ahead and add one more. So at this point we have 4. I think we're gonna need about 6 to complete this snowflake. I'm going to go ahead and add one little dot of glue right here, and I'm going to go ahead and put another one of these wedges like so. And at this point we want one on both sides, so I'm going to go ahead and put glue on both sides of the cardboard, and then I'm going to insert one of these wedges right here, making sure that it stays in place. So at this point it should look like this. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put this aside, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and fold some of this in half, because that will be the next step, and that's going to go in between the wedges. I think we're going to need about 5 of them, so I'm going to go ahead and fold 5. So that's 4. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and fold 6. So that's 6. Now we're going to gather our star again. Make sure you pull all of those strings from the glue. So then what we're gonna do is, we're gonna go ahead and put a little dot of glue on both sides of this wedge folded in half. And we're gonna go ahead and insert this guy right here. Okay? Let me do one more. So just dab a little bit of glue and insert between wedges, and just very loosely. You don't want to push too hard, so that way it stays open. Alright, I want to take a second to invite you guys to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Insta stories daily are so much fun. Check it out. Let me do one more. So just a little dab of glue right here and right here. And I just go ahead and smear it so that way it doesn't run. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it down. So we have a few more. This project is super simple. And it is so striking when you put it on your Christmas tree, you guys. This is something you can do with the kids. Just monitor their hot glue gun while they're playing with it. That way they don't burn themselves. So we did need 6 of these folded in half. So far we have 6 to create the flower and then 6 to create the snowflake effect. And now I'm going to go ahead and fold 6 more, because now we're going to insert these other 6 where we insert in the little wedges folded in half. We're going to go ahead and insert one more to extend the shape. So that's 4, 5, 6. So now we're going to repeat. I'm just going to show you one real quick. Put a little bit of glue on both sides. And then what you want to do is go ahead and insert that one once again. Let me do one more to show you guys. Alright, I'm gonna insert all of them and I will show you what it looks like in the next step for this ornament. Alright you guys, for the next step for our snowflake is, I just put a little bit of white paint right here. This is an acrylic paint. And with my little brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and paint the whole thing white. So this is gonna take probably the longest, but it will really give it that snowflake effect. So I'm gonna take a minute to make sure that I paint the whole snowflake, and I will show you what it looks like all painted, alright? I'll be right back with you guys. Alright you guys, once we have our ornament all covered in white paint, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut some fishing line to make our hanger, to hang it from our tree. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and weave it through here, and then just give it a little knot, and that will be our hanger for our ornament. Alright you guys, once we have our ornament all covered in white and we put a fishing line hanger so we'll be able to hang it from our tree, what we need to do is put some of our all-purpose glue in one of these little pins, and then we're just gonna go ahead and put our little brush in here, and we're gonna brush the top of our ornament, and make sure you get all of it, because this is the trick to put our glitter on it. So we're just gonna make sure that we brush all the surface very well. Just make sure you get all of it, because this is where our glitter is going to come in. We'll get our glitter and we're just gonna sprinkle it on top like so, and just be generous with it like so. Make sure you go all the way where all the glue went, like this. And just like this, you have yourself a really pretty snowflake ornament. I really recommend you turn it upside down and just press against the glitter like that. If your look is more natural or rustic, then I would just recommend to leave this unpainted. Add a little pine cone, a sprig of greenery, and some berries, and you have yourself a more natural look with the same concept. Alright everyone, this is the end result, and I absolutely love both of these ornaments. They were so easy to make and basically free. This is something you can get the kids and the grandkids involved helping, and they would love to help making these beautiful ornaments. I cannot wait to read your comments, so please leave me a comment down below and let me know which of the two is your most favorite. If you haven't seen the video where I show you how to make a beautiful ornament with recycled Christmas cards, you need to check it out right here, or you can just watch more videos right here. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for future decorating ideas by clicking on this button right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Hey you, yeah, you, have you subscribed to this channel? I really recommend you do, and hit the notification bell on so you're notified about every single upload. Also follow me on my social media or just watch more videos right here. Oh, how fun it is to ride.